We do 3 soft cheeses, great summertime.
It's summertime in Minnesota. It's Saturday morning and I'm getting ready to go to the farmer's market. Just wanted to show you I'm ready with the summer vibes. I have my new pink purple nails. I don't know, what is it, pink or purple? And I've got my favorite kitty cat summer dress on and the weather is gorgeous. So let's get this day started.
I can see it now, yes, I can feel it now. When you touch me, in my bloodstream, when you touch me, you can lift me up, says high above me, rivers in my heart. I can feel it now, coming closer.
I'm very much drawn to the horse, or unicorn. Is that a unicorn?
That's a regular horse.
That's a regular horse, okay.
The brats, we do a classic and a blue cheese brat, which we make with our house-made blue cheese.
Can rivers in my heart, you lift me up.
Well, that was a very successful farmer's market trip, and I'm going to show you my little haul, and then I got to get on my way to my next activity, which is river rafting. But I found a couple great items, and first of all, from Shepherd's Way, which is in Nerstrand, Minnesota, I picked up these lamb hero strips, and then I love soft cheeses, so we've got some sheep milk cheese. I'm assuming it's going to have the same consistency as goat's cheese, so I don't know if I've tried it before, probably at restaurants and I just didn't even know it. And then finally, this was the cutest purchase of the day. I love honey and I love candles, so why not put them together? I usually just get soy-based candles, but this is a honey-based candle from the farmer's market, and I'll put it on a plate and we'll light it up later today.
I found a big clamshell that's pink
hold it open.
inside.
Awesome. We made it to Dan's in New Trier, Minnesota, and look at this PB&J burger. This is gonna be juicy. All right, first bite of the PB&J burger at Dan's Bar and Grill. Oh, look at the peanut butter. Really good. resist all these cute kitchen towels. There's bathroom towels in pink today too. I love my pink bows. I think I'm gonna get sucked into this. I think it's finally time to get yesteryear. I'm biting the bullet and doing it.